Hi, today we're going to be making words. You will need EICHNRLD.
If you don't have the letters, you can write them on some paper and cut them out. You'll also need some paper to write the words down that we make, and a pen or a pencil. And of course you can just have regular letters too. We're going to do making words, and we'll do a sort, and we'll write a word in a sentence. Let's get started. Ready, Andrina? Are you ready at home? Here we go. Take two letters and spell the name Ed. So if it's a name, what does it need to have? What does it need to have? Can you tell me?
Uppercase.
An uppercase or a capital. Ed. Write that word Ed down on your piece of paper. If you at home don't have a capital E, that's okay. Just write it, the capital E now as you write it down. The next word, add a letter to Ed to make red. Some apples are red. Red. You gotta go fast. Can you sound that out, please?
Ed. Red.
Very good. The next word is change the vowel in the middle to spell rid. We got rid of the trash. Rid. Id. Good. Write that word down. Rid. Change the first letter in rid to spell lid. Sometimes we call the cover we put on a pot a lid. Let's hear you sound that out. Lid. Lid. Change the vowel in lid to make the word lead. Lead. Andrina led the line to go to the park. Led. Write that word down. Led. Like you're the beginner, the leader. She led her class to lunch. Led. Write it down. Now you're going to need those two letters that make the ch, ch, ch sound for the word rich. Sometimes people say when you eat certain foods, like a chocolate, it can be really a rich taste. What's it start with? Ch. What two letters say ch? There they are. Rich. Write that word down. The next word is inch. Inch. In the United States, we measure using an inch. An inch is about as big as like the tip of your finger, right? To your knuckle. Inch. So we know the word in. Inch. Awesome. Inch. Write that word down. For our next word, we're going to do that move the letter around trick to spell the word chin. Chin. Andrina is pointing to her chin. Good job. And I hear the ch in the beginning. There it is. Ch. In. Chin. Check that with your finger. You got it? Ch. In. Got it. Write that word down. Andrina, can you take the last letter away? And at home, take the last letter away, the N. We're going to add two letters to this to make child. child. The child was waiting for his father. Good, write that down.
Like me.
Child. Now we're on to our secret word. We're going to keep that first part that we have there, child. And we're going to add the last 3 letters. Andrina, your R is on the floor though, just so you know. So go ahead, keep that child there and add the last 3 letters to make the last word. But it's not pronounced child in our new word, in our secret word. The I's actually going to say itch, ill. I'll give you a hint. One child, we say child. When we have more than one child, we say children. It's kind of long though.
Children.
Okay, so childer. What do you hear next? It's actually the R. There, children.
1, 2, 3.
Children! All right, as you write the word children down, I want you to cut out all of those words you've written out. And we're going to be sorting our words today based on the beginning sound, or that first letter that you hear, that you see. We are back for our sort. So we're first going to read our words. As we read it, please listen for the beginning sound. That's how we're going to sort it. Gina, can you get your finger out to point? Are you ready? Are you ready? All right, here we go. Ed.
Red. Red. Lead. Rich. Inch. Id. Old. Child.
Switch the sound and say I.
Tide.
Chai.
Child.
Oh.
Child.
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 Mm-hmm.
Chin. Children.
Very good. Okay, get to everyone at home. Start to sort your words based on that beginning sound. Ready?
Go.
Go. Okay, can you step to the side a little bit? Well, this is how we sorted it. Go ahead, Drina. Read it, your words there. Let's see if they all sound the same. Yep.
Children. Child.
Good, they all say ch. Okay, at the beginning.
Inch. Period. Lid. Lead.
They all say start with O. Okay.
Itch. Id. Red.
So they all start with the Okay, and that guy on the bottom,
Ed.
he doesn't go anywhere with anything.
First
does he?
name in
First
this
name.
whole thing.
Okay, choose one word, or 2 or 3 if you want to challenge yourself to write a word in a sentence. Andrina is ready to write her sentence. She's going to start with a capital. What's your sentence, Andrina? Can you read it to us? What are you thinking?
My friend Ed likes
red. Let's see how you do it. My
friend
Oh, put your D on there for his diaper. There.
I didn't know what to do.
You got it. What do you need at the end of your sentence? You don't need this.
I know.
Okay. He likes red.
No. Bye. Make sure to put my video up on the thumbs up, because if you watch my videos, it's really